This is Tanvi Kazim with my news channel, See the World Through. Again, I'm here to discuss very shocking news for me on a local newspaper in the United States that a Florida mother, was very grieved and very sorry to see her son, very young son, committed suicide because of AI chatbot. He got so some kind of uh, depressed for some reason talking to him all the time, chatbot, and he committed suicide for getting not answer what he was expecting. This is a very very dangerous trend which for a new generation is going towards. Remember, the creation of humanity, the creation of man has a big purpose. Your job is to rule the entire universe. Your job to manage billions of people. Your job is to succeed in the short life and go in hereafter, live in paradise forever. This life is a test. Your true humanity enemy is Satan, the devil. He created those kind of tools to make you feel that you are nothing. These AI chatbot has nothing, is based on the database, I will say, stolen from the Google or somewhere. I would not blame something. I have no proof for that. But I'm saying don't they take it too serious. They capture those data information for the people, put it in a database, and based on the knowledge of the humanity, the people they talk every day, or they have files sitting in offices, they get answers. That can be wrong. It has proven many times that the answers they're giving, that after 10 years, it will be obsolete. You cannot trust those machines who they just go into database and there's a voice behind talks. You think some human. Human is God's creation, which you can see around your father, your uncle, your mother, your sisters, your neighbors. They have true intelligence created by God. God has the best creation. Every time there's a new challenge, those humanity will help you, the people help you. This computer is nothing. This is a program behind that. A machine talks based on certain code they written behind us by humans. This data will be obsolete within a few years. What you answer get may not get next time. Why the prophecy came? Keep in your mind why continue Noah came, Jacob came, Solomon, David, Moses, Jesus, and all Prophet Muhammad. Their objective was to guide based on the current situation. The based on you have new challenges because of your Satan, the true enemy. He continue, try to deceive us. So let's change now. Do not trust too much on this technology. It is good to get help, but don't take it serious. Don't take your life. Get out of there. Just take entertainment for maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. That's it. Spend more time with your family. Get out, do something. Do marriages, produce babies. Next life is forever where you can enjoy. This life, don't go too far into these traps. This is mostly technology has gone too far. So don't take your life. Don't give your life. Your parents has raised you, spending millions of hours. They were spending every night to raise you, feed you. Don't destroy their lives. Don't make them hurt. Be energetic. Show them when you grow up. Show them that you are the man or the woman. Become a wife, a daughter. Produce children. Become a daughter-in-law and son-in-law. So become a part of society. Go to your worshiping places together. Leave the houses. Don't trust too much technology. Then we can make this world better again. So let's not go through this AI too much into trust these areas. This is good technologies. We are very thankful there's technology helping us a lot, but let's not go too far. Humanity first. Your neighbors, your parents, your uncle, aunties are the first. If people need you, okay? And I hope this will not going to happen. I'm very sorry for that the mother who lost her child because of this technology. But there are many children are dying, sitting and collapsing. Many seen playing video games all the day and night. We need to put some thoughts behind this. How much we can give people, where we can stop them. I hope we can change our behavior and our new generation, bring them back to the path of God to make this life successful and also go back to heaven and live there forever in high palaces. Take care. God bless you all. Bye.